What's up, y'all? Real quick, this is gonna be a short. I've been looking at the speed mod. This is why I chose this scooter. There's so many different modifications that have been done to this thing, so many things done to it, and people have experienced it for years, that they figured that this little tiny thing right here can block a couple miles an hour. So I've been looking at the videos all day. We pulled the case off, pulled the transmission apart, took this tiny ass thing right here out of the transmission, put it all back together. Now we got Chase Pilot J that needs to strap his helmet up. Ain't like this thing's gonna go do 80, but we want to make sure that you're strapped up. We know that it clearly is done 41, 42-ish miles an hour when we were riding. We want to see if it's going to go any faster.
Well, I wasn't even full throttle yet and it did that. Whoa, this thing's moving! It's moving.
Does it feel like it's going faster?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's mostly from the spark plug.
Yeah, I don't know. That's why I went to go test the up hills, see, because we haven't really, I mean, I shouldn't say that. We have rode up hills, but the hills that I went up, the steep ones, it was moving up there pretty fast, so.
So, I don't know why it says 3, but you should be able to hear that now.
It feels more, you definitely feel the pull in it when you go full throttle. But man, this thing it's yeah, like I said, it's way more responsive than it was before. Look, what am I looking at? Oh, 47.
If you have a clear run,
yeah,
stay full throttle.
My eyes watering. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, this thing moves. is moving. It was sitting down here.
Yeah, it was at the it was about right here for me.
Yeah, it was down there for me.
So if it was down there, then you're surely doing 50. So it looks like the little mod works. I got about 45-ish on it. Jalen's pretty much clearing 50. So
This thing is
we've
moving.
got 2 more mods to do, which are the factory restricting mods. After we clear those, people are saying that the bike's gonna do like 60. So maybe we'll get that before we even touch it with exhaust. Everybody says exhaust is gonna wake it all the way up. So pretty much gonna be what they say it's gonna be. I mean, obviously everybody's been working on these bikes for years, for decades, so they know their shit, they know what they know, but just us experimenting with it. So we'll see what it's really gonna get, but we've gotten 50 already with just one little mod. At this last clip, I was feeling a little bit sick, so the whole family, we went to go take COVID tests the next day, and well, now we all know we have COVID. Let's do let's do a project. You got your eyelet on there. It's 4 bolts on that. Take them off. No.
Yeah, I don't know.
I've never let you spray paint before. It's gonna kind of fisheye like this because we didn't clean it. All done. It's a lot better than that rusty chrome that was on there. Okay, good.
But it's wrong because you can't, I mean, you could tell, but
But it doesn't stand out as much as it did.
Yeah.
The next thing we have to do is see if we can do the headlights. It's supposed to be there and there, and this whole front end supposedly comes off. So let's see if we can do that. Put it in your pocket. All right. So left headlight, right headlight. We need to connect these so that they'll be on together at the same time. So we took the wire harnesses off. I had another old H4 harness, so I just popped out the clips, putting them in here. And we're just gonna extend the wires. This one is gonna go to the green, and this one's gonna go to the yellow. Obviously, every time you do any wiring or dealing with electricity, supposed to be dark is ground, color is power. So we're just gonna send this to power, this to power, and essentially, when you turn the lights on, they'll both be on. All right, wiring's completed. Now we'll just put it on, see if it works. Cool.
So, it works.
Now they're just both on all the time. Next thing's bugging me is this impound mark. Let's get that off of there. I mean, now we just got quarantine projects now. Everybody got the Rona. Yeah, that's done. That's going to paint.
We didn't record us changing out the spark plug.
Nah, it's just a spark plug. We pulled up that panel down there, spark plug, and it's right in the head there. So plug's done, transmission mod is done. And yeah, the rear rack looks pretty good now.
It's one color. It's not silver and rusted.
Oh, you know what I forgot to order? I forgot to order a seat. All right, yeah, I forgot to order that. But yeah, we'll get to that, man. I know because you're sitting on it. It doesn't really matter, but
Just to make it look
I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of disturbed that niggas got corona. But I don't want to leave y'all hanging. I do still sound crazy because I still got corona, but we did get the vert completed. Yes, I did film it because I was in no condition to speak. I just time-lapsed it, and I was pretty silent because at this point in corona, anytime I spoke, I coughed. So Jalen's standing in the middle of my shot, and I'm not telling him to move because I don't want to speak, because I don't want to cough. So he finally realizes I wanted him out the shot, so silly-ass kid. But I know at this point, man, there's a lot of bent stuff. I'm looking at that bent rail that the frame is holding the fender up on, and the other little radiator pieces and radiator supports. So we just started grabbing parts, mirrors, wheels off, fenders off, fender lining out, me taking big ass hammers and grinding wheels, and I just got that corner straight right there. It was just a lot of work. I had no plan, I had no idea. I just wanted to work, and then hopefully by the end of the work it'd be done. As you can see, as I'm coughing narrating this now, you can almost imagine how tough it was for me to get this done. This took a long time because of the lack of energy and the lack in breathing, but I got the wheel on, new control arm, so I had to get a fender on there. That's the real true test to see where the wheel's set. As we got the new fenders on, got everything strapped and bolted up. A little bit of modification was needed, but we got it all set up and everything looked really good as far as the wheel placement. So I set a couple of the other parts on that was bugging me, and we got this whole car completed in a couple of hours. And it's sitting there looking really good. But this is literally what my life has been for the last couple of days. Actually a few weeks. Just sitting outside trying to get some good sunshine, relaxation. Trying not to cough too much, man. Just really trying to enjoy the space as I try to recover. Because this shit took a toll on my body for real. I mean, I lost 20 pounds.